Hi everyone, so I am back with another video and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton Cles. So I just bought this. I used to have this before but I lost it. I left it on the train, and of course, being Louis Vuitton, no one ever returned it back to Lost and Found, and it has been like 3 years of me trying to find this in the Louis Vuitton stores. Just no one ever had it in stock until today, 2023. Alrighty, so let's get on with the unboxing. So this cost me, I believe it's gone up. The first time I bought this, it was $220. Now look at the price, it is $495. Like, oh my god. But this was actually one of the best SLGs that I just loved it. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so it's a cute little pouch. They always have these pouches. They've changed it from the drawstrings ages ago, but you get used to the new packaging. So I love it in the little LV monogram. Others like the Damier Bean or the Damier Azul, but I just love monogram in the SLGs. Just, I don't know why. Here's the zipper. Very smooth. It has a little keychain here, so you can clip it onto the side of your bags or anywhere like that. So it's easily found, so it doesn't get lost within like your big bags or anything like that. I can show you how I do that. And inside, so there's no inner lining inside, it's just the canvas. And then of course it has here coated fabric, interior is calf skin. Okay, it's calf skin, never mind. But there we go. Here is a full look of the little key pouch. How cute is that? But there goes my little unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton Cles.